Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a prelims level RC. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to show you this RC from Guidely's mock test. And this RC is based on LIC's IPO, which is a very hot topic nowadays in the current news. So I am going to solve this RC, and you can take an idea and apply it in the examination and in the mock test when you are attempting. Okay, so first of all, if there is this type of questions which contains multiple statements, try to skip it and move to next question. So the next question is one liner. We can easily solve this. The question is, why did the insurance company tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded value? So here the keyword is embedded value. We will try to find the keyword here. So we can see that it's here. As per the DRHP, LIC's embedded value, a measure of consolidated shareholder value in the company, and while the offer price is yet to be disclosed, insurance company typically tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded value. So here we can see that it is written while the offer price is yet to be disclosed. So we will now see the options. So third option says before the offer price is not revealed in the market. So we will mark this and move to next question. In the which is correct. So it is, so you can see that it is a like it contains some values, and value based question is always easy because we can find the values easily in the paragraph. So first of all, there is 20, 20 and 21. Now we will try to see. So here we can see 20, 20, 21. As per March 31, 2021, LIC had a 66.2% market share in new business premium and a 74.6% share in individual. So here in second option it is written that LIC has a 74.6% share in group. So it is wrong because individual is here. Then LIC had an 81.1% share in individual policy, and here and 81.1% share in the number of group policy. So it is written reverse. So both these are wrong. LIC had a 66.2% share in the new business premium for 2020 and 21. So it is right. So only first is right. Then there is, why can we say that LIC has been increasingly giving space to private players in between 2015-16 and 2020-21. So now we will say 2015-16 is written where? So here it is written, increasingly LIC has been ceding space to private players between 2015-16 and 2021. Private sector life insurance players saw their premium grow at 18%, while LIC's premium at 9%. Okay, and why it is so? India is still an under-penetrated market. The country's insurance density is much lower than that of other developing countries, which indicates scope of growth. So here we could not find the answer, but LIC has been ceding space to private players. Now we will read it again. As of March 30, 2021, LIC had a 66% share in new business, 74% in individual, and 81% share in group policy. So increasingly, LIC has been ceding space to private players. Between 15-16 and 2021, private sector life insurance players saw their premium grow at 18%. So उनके their premium is increasing at 18%, and while LIC's premium is growing at 9%. So this is the reason. So now we will try to see. So techniques, no. Then maintain the premium, no. There is inverse relation between premium, no. The growth in premium of private player is higher as compared to LIC. This is the answer. How would the corporation's prospect be affected as per the context of the passage? So now it is asking about the prospectus which will be affected as the context. Okay, so this answer we will find in the last paragraph, I think, because the conclusion is always given in the last paragraph. While a listing on exchange will open LIC's governance, structure and investment decision to public scrutiny, continued government interference in its decision taking will affect the corporate's prospectus. So here we can see that continued government interference is there. So the continued government interference will affect it. Then scope of growth is also here. Scope of growth is not there, affecting the corporate's prospectus. So this is the also the reason that scope of growth we read it here, that the growth was more in the private sector, private insurance companies. So this is also the reason. So A and C I think will be the answer. Then highlighted word garner. So we have to find the antonym of garner. Rupees 78,000 crore of which it has only been able to garner. It means collect. Okay, garner means collect. So dissol I think can be the answer because it is a negative word. Synonym of steep. The steep discounts that public sector companies trade at. The steep discounts. I do not know, so I will leave this question. Okay, now I will move to the first question, which is incorrect. The initial public offering of LIC is 31.6 crore share. The initial public offering of 31.6 crore share of 5% of government stake, right? This is correct. The consolidated shareholder value in insurance company has been estimated at 5.39 lakh crore. A measure of the consolidated shareholder value in an insurance company is estimated at 5.39 lakh crore, right? First and second is correct. Okay, so IPO of LIC in India is 5% of government's borrowing. So 5% of government stake, not borrowing. It is written here that 5% of government stake, not borrowing. So third is wrong. Okay, so I am gonna solve this RC only, and now I am gonna submit this mock test and just see the result. So this was the answer and this question was wrong. Okay, and why it was wrong? Because the scope of growth is not there affecting the corporation's prospectus. It is not written anywhere. I thought that the private sector insurance grew more while LIC grew less. So there is scope of growth, but scope of growth was not there. And in this paragraph, it was not mentioned anywhere. So these are the minor mistakes I also make, and you can also make in the while solving the RCs. Okay, so try to keep these things in your mind, and all other questions are correct. So you can take an idea and you can apply this strategy in the upcoming examinations. And if you want to purchase Guidely's ultimate bundle PDF course, then the link will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get extra discount also, because you will find these type of RC in the PDF course daily basis to practice, and it is available in both Hindi and English language. So it is very good for practice. So that is all. Thank you and have a nice day.